So my people, Dan and Cheese still a war. And me have a update on the war for share with Uno. Also my people, a female named Sky Diamond. See, she get in at the war too. And I rub Cheese. See, so Dan I chat some things about Cheese my people. And we are gonna get right in it. But here we go on. I'm gonna make no ear with Sky Diamond after about Cheese. Boy, me no know but them a come for Cheese hard. You know what I mean? But you don't know say cheese a angler I think same way. You see me? So make we hear what Sky Diamond have to say and then we go over there and see it.
Cheese got Caribbean country and feel because self. And the only thing you get out of Caribbean country have to pay down for some Jamaica. Mine. Enough of them get a sell and they love my money, mine man. Yeah man. And then Cheese get a next opportunity and now to come America now. Maybe I show no a girl careless and no ambition and it's a low life. The girl get an opportunity now to cross the border and come America. She's the American long time. I don't want 1 year, I don't want 2 years, I don't want 3 years, I don't want 4 years. She's there a good while. How I know say she's there a good while? I remember before I even think about coming to America. And I was in Jamaica, I used to watch Batman, Twep, and Cheese them on Instagram. I didn't think about coming to America them time there. Who remember when Cheese post by Instagram so she get her asylum? Let me bring you back down a memory lane. Who don't remember? Who remember good no man? And she post by Instagram so she get her asylum. Mislead your fan base. Lie to your fan base. I mean, end up come America. Cheese don't ever start grow credit. Cheese is a dirty low level girl of foreign. She don't make no sense over here. 3 to 4 years now, she dey here. She make no sense over here. Me remember me used to watch them. No sense girl no make a foreign. And God give girl opportunity to come back a foreign. Now what she dey here don't talk to me. Me and Cheese up on phone at night time. She go see what go on the road. Cheese, for you come here down to Jamaica. You get when you got Caribbean country, you should put the milk box in the ghetto. Now you're there. You put the milk box in the ghetto. You put the orange juice box in the ghetto. You put something in Jamaica because you get a next chance now because you still have sex. And that's what New York I do. I made it on the phone. Remember good no Cheese, if you come with me, they come work, come strip. And you didn't get hired. Huh? Ready or not, me not add up no fake page. Cheese member good now that you want to come class. Girl like you have secret for me a bad girl. But you know make no sense Cheese. You have 0 no level girl. You never know say I mean send out the video where you have up. I mean sending in my group and me I send up the girl video. You never hear about it, you a dirty girl Cheese. See, if you learn to live your truth, you can be like me. Nothing will surprise you. Live your truth. Live your blood clot truth. She's a dirty girl. I'm not at them. Cheese broke massive. Them instead of them go talk to Cheese and tell Cheese, go grow our credit. As when my friend them would have said, Sky, your credit say excellent. You can't argue with some no credit girl in a foreign because she's not a credit. But sometimes you have to make the people them know say it's a dirty girl and she depend on this a cap. Thank you, BJ. So we have to make you know say she's a dirty girl. In a real life, she's a dirty, use pampers, baby dude running a belly girl. She's not have no credit in a foreign, no credit. Cheese paper fake, no blood clot, social fake, everything fake. Sky rub the girl. The girl want warm if you choose side BJ with him and auntie Dan. Yes, I gotta tell me if you choose side. I mean, not choose no blood clot side, but the girl disrespect my mother because I don't want to choose a side. So me, I make everybody know we go on pan what's up with me and Cheese. Yeah, man, Cheese is a little self girl. Dirty girl. Ramen noodle for Sunday dinner, 3 meals a day, so Cheese then a foreign leave. Me and him the pan WhatsApp call people. Yeah, Cheese come pan live, come class, destiny. And when me call him pan WhatsApp and say, anger, you anger that. Cheese belly a pay Karachi and add fear nice. Cheese just done class, destiny and hunger, kill him any life. Cheese a dirty girl in a foreign. Tell the people them how you a foreign and live no girl. When I tell the people them how you a foreign and live. You don't make no sense of foreign girl. Me tell you already and me go tell you again. They need to deport you from over here in a one pampas because it's a load of shit. He's a 0 level girl, no level girl. Go live your blood clot truth and stop pretend like you're not mine. Me's a ugly girl. I made it on WhatsApp video call. And I don't know if I chase me give Rosalie Lion. But in the same time, in Cheese just you know have no jaws, you know have no top and ask me if your body look nice. And you say you's a star, me's a star, me's a girl like girl. Cheese, you did a child blood clot hypnotize me. But ugly couldn't work. Move your ugly blood clot from you say you're a dirty girl. Cheese, you're a dirty girl. Real life. At the same thing Dan says she always want you to choose side. Yes, no, that me and her war, she want me choose between she and Auntie Dan. And to me no want Cheese, she this my mother. So me I defend my mother. She's a dirty girl. Me I telling you all a Cheese business. Cheese did fi come dance with blood clot me. Me I telling you Cheese business. When them not take Cheese at the blood clot club. Cheese asked me about the road, what happened to the road. Me say Cheese, them not do them something, they are big foreign girl, a Caribbean country, them do them things there. And Cheese said no, Sky, them do it in New York because I eat Modo. Them do it in New York. Cheese sell up the road in New York. When me and Cheese up on the phone a late blood clot night. Cheese up on Sky later, me go see what can go on the road. Move yourself clot and own it yourself like dog. That you have to tell me that is a self y'all. Regular made up on the phone, you tell me say I go see what I go on the road in a late night. You sell it, but you have 0 cheese. Nothing I go on for your whole. That you have to tell social media. Stop cap and stop going like you have something against girl with sell pay. Because it's a day in New York I do. Imagine how much band supposed to buy all your New York. Dirty girl. Can't come bomb me, can't come bomb me, my friend. I get for no Cheese half a bumbo clock this. And I tell you say Cheese a van. Cheese a dirty, nasty girl, don't even like beard.
Some people, when she a say, like, Cheese up on the road a sell, you know what I mean, our thing, people may find it hard to believe that still, you know what I mean, although it's not impossible, but me kind of find it hard to believe because, you know, Cheese up on social media and a lot of people know her, you understand me? I say, so if she go up on the road, somebody must recognize her and I say, no man, Cheese, whatever, you know what I mean? And even the woman them went up on the road as sell too, one of them good as, you know what I mean, not like her and come forward and say whatever. You understand me? I say, so make me know what to think with people because me can't find it to believe say Cheese up on the road or whatever. You know what I mean? But we are going to go over Dan, you know, my people, and hear what Dan I say because Dan come for Cheese wicked still, you know, my people. So,
You know, because she might have done cut out Cheese. She might have put some more pan cheese in on stay good.
GQ, whatever. But you're going at that because you have a color and then flag. And your skin.
Cheese are more. But you know,
LGBTQ, don't spoil with name.
Alright, but look here now, me when me hear everybody talk about Cheese, me think of somebody well look good, me think of one hot girl. Me don't know say one piece of foot cloth because me don't know if you know say man go for anything. Because me don't know if sleep with that in the
dash you well. I saw she look like when the people are ready for dash you well. I saw she look.
The old father. Hello, miss, you're very old.
No, me think Cheese and someone will stay good. Me don't know, but me don't know. Who do I make cheese? Who do I make cheese good and smell good and feel good and nice? I'm not telling a lie. Hey, who don't know a rose romantic or be a rose ugly but rose still better looking more than Cheese? My God. Eh? Dan, when you hear Cheese, me not Dan all your friend with Cheese in 15 years. Cheese and sick your stomach. Cheese sick your stomach, you know? Jesus.
she said she make me get the most views. So how she have no views over there? Alright, you ever see me run go over Cheese page? She's a new judge now. You ever see me run go over Cheese page not one time? So how you have more views and you want make me get views when you can't get them views? Sometimes you over there 10 plus class people, 15, 20 alone till you drop asleep. Girl, my personality. You see my personality? We have some years, but we have them back on my head back. You see you? See you want them come out of your blood clot, don't your mouth. Your mouth is full of plaque where you come. Turn it for me. No man when me there with. No man when me there with. From a little bit, me tell myself I'm not kiss man. And last year I put my mouth on one man. I must say here before. Me no kiss man. Me never smoke in my life. Me no drink and one day when me get to work, that how much years ago, then give me shots and me take a shot. How my mouth and your mouth gonna smell the same? You no brush teeth. You no beard. You smoke. 44 years you smoke and drink. In your mouth, your baby father say your tongue stink.
Well, I'm not that. Burn up on cheese milk. You was when cheese attack around our mouth to be white.
Boy, you come at you with yellow. Stop your nasty thinking, dirty catches. Man, I'm not going to be able. Oh, man, I was so good, I'm going to be able. Yeah, put your feel. So, RT boss. So, RT boss, you don't know say what the hero that one you are going to bite up in blood clot skin. RT boss, you don't know say what the hero. 2 man go in the house. And it take him 1.5 hours to go to New York. And when he do up the blood clot door, I worm in I plate them in I sink. You think of Jamaica me attack? You think of blood clot Jamaica me attack when they say worm? You think of Jamaica you want to stop your toe? 1.5 hours it take to up the blood clot door. You in my house dirty and nasty and think. 1 out of 2 for what them have to go in there go clean up. Suck your mama. Nasty thinking girl. And you come back sit down. And me make you go beard yesterday. And me make you go beard in a clothes. Germs, me make you go beard in a clothes. Me make you go beard in a clothes yesterday. You know she had. But the day you beat up about your beard dolly. Yeah, beard dolly. And you used to go beard your skin. You get up and be a dolly. You want in competition with Ivan because you want the Ivan and you can't be Ivan. Everything with Ivan you want go follow and do the same thing. That's why you want the boy like that's why you go so your blood clot boy with Ivan. You want the boy you dirty drunk because you want pick me like Ivan. That's why you force the boy. The boy know what you and you force the boy because you want pick me like Ivan. You go suck your thinking mad ugly blood clot mama. You drunk or you. Boy you want foreign pick me. You want foreign blood clot pick me, you want in a competition with Ivan. These are germs. And then your boy say, are you for name dog? Are you for name blood clot? Change your name shithouse. Are you for name blood clot?
What's up your hair?
You come back, you want foreign pick me, you red eye. You just a hug up a girl pick me, nice up a girl pick me. Love up a girl pick me and so you love your baby. And in a 4 days straight you give a baby to blood clot. 4 days. The baby where you have up in you come like him man. You come like him man them we analyze the girl and him baby for minister man wife. I saw you coming like cause when I boy say one of them they have a baby and I play with the baby and then the baby must be 4 out of a weapon. I saw you coming like you know wicked. You dirty blood clot, you're wicked. You have up a girl baby and I love up a girl baby and I nice up with the girl baby. You send them the number. You have a girl baby I love up and a nice up. Then time they crucify girl on my phone. You drunk for you. And if you look me, yeah, tell me girl you look like when you look on the camera. I post Samantha need go once in a blue mood post. If Samantha no send me one video, me no post Samantha. Charlie never send me no video. I lately see Charlie said like her birthday and she send me a video on WhatsApp and me will post himself. But Samantha put on something, she go send me the video, that's the difference. So if one like social media and one no like it, what if you do go take the girl, picture them and carry them, just show them on social media, If your mother so ugly and she have you, and you're not afraid to show for your blood clad looks. Oh my. To hide my picnic. What me I go hide my picnic them for? They might not look how you want them to look. But what happened now? Me know from earth and heaven. Me know from earth and heaven. I wonder what you do with the white prisoner suit them when we used to see you picking them in there. with the string them in thy waist. I wonder what you do with them clothes there, because you should have them for souvenir, you know.
Boy, my people, down I hang the cheese still, you know, me nah lie, you know. Down I hang the cheese, you know. Jaja. But people, you see, women, you see, when them know something about you, them save it for when you're not cussing, you know. Them beat you with it, you know. You see me I say? So right now, Dan just I reload everything we know about cheese. You see me I say? And cheese I reload everything we know about Dan. Come on people, in a video I dropped yesterday, cheese said Dan and her daughter would drop out, did want her man. You see me I say? Come like the cheese man was a G in the community. You know what I mean? One at a time Dan chat some yo. Me not like my people, them a go hard. So me no want to think in the comments. We go watch some more.
You think them like them a come from a boot camp or something. I wonder what you do with them there. You post a picture with Samantha and I say Samantha do this and Samantha do that. Me I tell you next thing when you turn around when you get it wrong. You say we curse because what Samantha do. Germs, you get it wrong. Check your picnic. The Bible no say you curse when your picnic do something. The Bible say you curse when your father and your mother do that blood clot there. You know, get it right. So I know me curse, kind of that the Bible say. And we are work off our Bible. The Bible say your mother and your father curse. We go upon the children. The Bible never say children curse and go upon the mother. Cheese. Remember say you curse while you're there tone. So that the curse upon your pit. That's why you have 3 bags. That's why you have 3 bags. Oh, blood clot, you never see smoke without fire.
Cheese, Auntie Dan, cheese no curse from she there tone. Cheese curse from she creating her mother home. And it bring down to generation because that's why the Bible say mother and the father suck the sour grape and set the children teeth at edge. You understand? So cheese curse because he can't swim around shark and whale in the land. So she double curse because how can a woman womb bring shark, crocodile and whale in the land? So she curse, so she not fit tell people say people curse.
Me and Cheese are friends for 15 years. And Cheese not have 3 jobs.
No, your Cheese is no friend. Your Cheese is no friend. You take Cheese for friend, but Cheese not take you for friend.
He said they are foreign now. Making sure more jobs they have a foreign.
No, Cheese not there no foreign. No stop tell like the woman about the woman they are foreign. Cause Cheese can they are foreign and look like say she in at the bottom of river and dumb. When they control the whole garbage. We don't stop it, man. Cheese are there no foreign.
One toothpaste.
But cheese are there no foreign. But cheese are there no foreign Auntie Dan. So tell like the woman, somebody can there foreign and look like a whole class. So.
Listen, it's not human, they are foreign. Have magic in a plate them. Magic in a plate.
The magic in a cheese, magic in a cheese face and cheese whole body. So magic no must work out from him body to plate them.
The girl near me cup soup them and left them in a sink and magic take it in cup soup and turn in a worm and wiggle up in a plate them. Oh, me for there so I know what you have in your kitchen I eat. Oh God, man, Father God, when else gonna see corona drop up. No, I want the corona. Let go this blood clot. Do not get it. Let it go. Your blood clot. Where that? The girl take a baby shower. Up to now, me don't know. Oh, me never remember this now. It's so long it take me to remember 13 years. The girl keep a baby shower in a capture and one somebody go buy daughter. One somebody go baby shower buy daughter.
No, both of us are together. Both of us celebrating.
Jesus Christ. Me say grown up Dan, cause my cuss Dan now, grown up Dan there until them take him in a stamp, cause them throw him out and him grown there. The girl them beat him to blood clot and throw him, close them in a mud and dirt and he ball them, beat him, Dan Auntie beat him and dash him out. Lord God, boy, nobody no get disadvantage with the girl them like him. He my worst girl a capture land. He my the worst girl a capture land. The worst girl. All you seen there foreign. If he have 3 good suit, tell him to come on social media. Come show 3 good suit of clothes. And he saying they're foreign and send about 20,000 go give blood clot man already. Then girl they live for mine man. Then girl, they can't keep a man. You know why they can't keep a man? They're too nasty. And when the man a see me and smoke me right, when you man for your face. Your tongue not brush your tongue to white. The man can't put him mouth on your mouth and you drink right on the clock and you smoke on the clock. The man no smoke, the man no drink. You sick the man's stomach. Girl, let me tell you. Let me teach you, because you say me a 51 and you must be 41. Me 10 years old are you, so let me tell you look at 10-year experience. You need to brush your tongue when you brush your teeth.
What 41 done?
So she said.
Done.
He said, the way about the girl come on social
You know, say Dan this day I sit down and sin himself, you know, Dan just there sit down and sin himself, but she's a 41. She's mama, you know when she's born.
He said, RT, me say when me look and see oh cheese bring down woman said I saw cheese as for sure you know come on to see you know I saw cheese I saw batty cock up. My mom said me there for the phone and the germs confess and me a tear. He said you shouldn't send out my video without consent and you said you go get down. And I down me name one down. One blood clot down.
Lysol and bleach and Dettol and G's and something they can't cure for cheese germs where she have. So you can't stay there wasting no time for disease.
You have video with me. I tell you say mama and papa me do. Man have to fix me. Fix me good if you have fix me good no. But that position there we say you have got to teach me. Because that position there I run with man. And my mama and papa make man, me can't get rid of them, so you have to go teach you have to run with man them.
And Dan, I'd blame them, the blue logo there.
Cheese have gingivitis in her mouth.
Now, you say 12 and cheese the Bahamas herself. And I'm talk about, 12 and cheese the Bahamas herself. You never know that, you never know that.
Let me see one video with 12
You never know that. No, me I tell you, because when you said to him, yeah, so it must help like your blood clot. They must say that herself. What are them doing? So nothing wrong. What a cost Cked.
When he go sell, alright, make sure tell you how she get her baby father.
Yeah.
And news in care for the next girl, you know, a girl over there breed for man, you know, and she is care news about the girl back, you know. In a ear shop where them do ear just, you know.
Yeah. Yeah,
you watch the gang up on him and report him and then deport him blood clot and the man will have him picnic. Say now make him picnic good up.
Oh, well listen to me.
And the gang big man. Cheese, you know. The gang what I tell him in a year just a shop, you know. Deport him blood clot. Come here your blood clot, then I'm gonna wait. The gang hate him like when I tell them gang up and send him. This is like how we are going to do the same thing so and send him in blood clot, I see him thing.
Yeah, what me have one big man friend with that tip over there that tell me say tip self. Yeah, man cheese. It was
some people John was star yo when Blam get involved or Blamdem get involved in an argument, you know. Anybody where him not upon them side in a straight bring down, you know, and him not afraid for talk certain things, you know. And me the thing say him and Cheese good because Cheese are the first person we kinda have him certain way, you know, because him did go over Blinger. That are the first time I ever see him forward online. Him start the whole barrier thing with World Dog. Seeing him and Blinger them kick off and then him and Cheese, you know what I mean, a rock from them time there. And Cheese kinda bring him in, take him under our wing and them way there. So me don't know how him turn against Cheese. So you take your auntie him still, you know. You know what I mean? But my people, we are gonna watch some more. Tell me what you think in the comments.
But you know what, Cheese also say me a hypocrite because me did everybody about out last night. But everybody know me a hypocrite. But Cheese, me a talk weird too. You tell picture.
No, but when Canel splash Cheese beard, me a repeat it only past Sunday when we have Canel splash. I from party I keep over cars when Cheese beard. Cheese the beard during the week.
Tell Blamdem just to take out tap out of this. Tap change up.
Dan, you don't need to argue with that girl. I tell you, when that girl come to Barbados, she was skinning stand dog night. She was in a two-piece black outfit with a cloth, tired her leg. And they had to get rid of her. She only said of that and not asking a she boy. She went to at the left ring. She was the worst looking girl in the axe, you know, because I've been in her picture can send that her. When that girl came there, she was the worst looking girl. She come in a black outfit with a black, let's be the man with a black cloth tie up her leg. And I can tell you, she came there on a Friday night. And when she came there, she sit down like a hunch worm sitting in a corner. When they called to go on the stage, the girl have to go there to give her a little tip. When they gathered up there to give her a little saying on her clothes, she was calm down. Yeah, some big fat girl that was there. She didn't look like the girl in no day, no all. She sits down, she couldn't get a lap dance. She couldn't get a lap dance and I'm asking you. Then she left. She ain't staying long. She left the night and come back. She didn't come the Saturday. She came the Sunday. And when she came there, the girl was like cutting up gas. Now she had to left out to that. She ain't on the street to sell her to work. And the place the shop and the girl used to go there to do the air. So the girl was taking the day before didn't want she attacked. She crying bad. She went there living in a zinc fence house. When she went there's the worst place of them. She dropped any girl who were at them. She came to them 2015. Right? She's a gossip girl and she come there. When she come there, no girl, she not look at none of the girl them. They only give her a chance because the person who tell her to come there the day and vouch for her. When the man they see she ain't selling up for me, they go for browning. And when she touch the stage, you had the blue light on the floor. You could see on her bottom full of some bump like I was like, what the fuck is this girl from Jamaica to do? To me. She was there to start there. She came back with Monday for work. She come back, she came out with Samantha. When Samantha came there, Samantha was a bomb, dropping bomb at your drop there. When Samantha come there, we sell her, we lock the street. Samantha had pretty girl, never meet together to do nothing. Man text Samantha out the club, so she ain't gonna dance. She won't be dancing no time. She won't be dancing no matter time. Come on, text Samantha out the club. I was the one selling outside, selling food and all that.
That's correct.
So I can tell you. So when they left, she went on Nelson Street. She go to Nelson Street, and when she go to Nelson Street, she has to go in the shop. So listen to me, she can't tell her ugly. Then the other week she didn't come back to work, and when she come with her ketchup in her one, looking like a roast duck. She ain't not a secret for nobody. I don't do bag about a long time. I see this girl coming in where she's a portion. She ain't no portion. She let her live in the worst place in Barbados, zinc fence. Tired, you have to come out to go to an next bathroom. They can get her, she go there to pick up. Nobody, anybody who touch you must go by like dollar for. So I ain't got time for this. Later than you argue with somebody, I ain't got nothing to argue about. This is the exact place because she come to real. So the girl she pick up, she can't use the boy, the next girl, get the boy. The boy didn't want she, and how she get deported is because she come there, she not keeping her teeth. She not keeping her teeth up when she there. Every day she in a bag with people, and the girl them even put her out. There was this long time girls, they take her picture, they put her out. I can't tell, I'm a Jamaican baby, I'm telling him I love her, and I know what's going on in the street. That girl ain't got a street credit, she ain't got nothing but house credit. That girl, listen, if you want, I can get you number, I could send you a picture with that girl on stage with that bumpy body. Cause we have records. She go check, she remember she killed her friend like in a black outfit with 2 cloth tie on her leg, boy.
Anytime you're ready, you send them, let me give you my number. Anytime
so we got picture, I'll go charge up your phones for that man.
Send me anything you want.
I'll go charge up in number. You see me? I'm a Jamaican baby.
Yeah, man.
Check. So I got. She ain't got no secret to know what.
Big up yourself, just send down the thing them. Send down the thing them, come. We are take down, we take down RT, we are take down cheese. We are take down cheese, so.
Wid me!
Yeah, but they were that, we don't know how him worry about your daughter, and he now worry about you.
That pass, I'm gone. Yeah.
What do you think about the DR family?
The what?
DR family.
We don't know where you're talking.
Your name, Dan Reed. Your name, one time. DR family. We don't talk about it right here. Me look at the DR family and me look at the Grung family. Do you think?
Okay. Yeah, because I get what you say now. Oh, the name for the something there.
Yeah, because that's a Dan Reed. Cut it short, DR.
DR family. That's a good one. Me say, if if she just rest, she go say, other people do. Other people don't know me. Other people don't know she. If other people cuss me and tell me when I know, then me can't say nothing because I say I cuss them I use that. But you will know me. Me and you come from far. Me do so much things to feel picnic. And you come now and cuss me picnic where they. Come on now, man. Look into that now. You think me could have come from social media and cuss your picnic?
Great. Cool, man.
You think me could have come from social media and cuss your picnic? Remember, I know.
But she's a watch people life and their life as well.
Right, me not there nothing. Me and you don't have nothing at all. Me just depend there and me just sit down and your baby father talk. And your baby father talk and you just turn for me and go kick your life attack on me picnic. So who you be? Who you be? Because a lot of people don't know the story go, because a lot of people never there. Me and you don't have nothing. We can play the video when it start. Remember my life. Your baby father talk to you and ask your question. And you after you can't answer the question, then you jump out of the box. And you come up back in the box, you ask them if you give your moderator if you block your baby father. Oh, me go give your moderator, I never give for all the years. Oh, me go give that the night.
So you can't control it, turn for you.
So, Blamdem, now she and the baby father attack and the baby father said to him, say, and you feel name dog, because you piss out, you pick them and run, left them. Because one man name and the man say, and you feel name, so, here a girl told about me. Dan, you never live no life at Jamaica. Well, I be bad man, then she, me cut her off her life. She go over for her life now and start from Samantha. So, who started?
A madman chase, madman.
Who started? So, you left over here, you gone for my picnic.
So, my people, you see, I saw everything start, you know what I mean? But you are going, my people, because I say it in another video, you know, say, it's like Dan couldn't tell the baby father, say, she don't want him on her life, you know what I mean? She could have taken him off because that would have been disrespect, because she know him, you know what I mean, even before cheese. She said that, says she know him before cheese. You understand me? I say, so if you take him off her life, you know, she would have diss him and she maybe would have fall out with him. So she, you know, make him come on the life, come talk when him want to talk, because him can't go nowhere else go talk. And she's come on the life, you know, come take him on. But, you know what I mean? True, the man must see a talk, and Dan I say, I answer him, kind of ask Dan question, you know. And Dan say she been a go through them thing here with cheese and the baby father for the longest while. You know what I mean? I saw the kickoff start with cheese and Dan, you know, my people. And when I hear the girl named Sky, I say cheese kick off with she, because cheese wants she to pick side with Dan. That no fear. You know what I mean? That no fear. Cheese to make everybody pick aside if them want to. If them want to stay neutral, make them stay neutral. You understand what I say? So, wanna tell me what I think, my people? Make a watch some more.
You not expect me to go touch back for your picnic them? And you have three.
Yeah, go touch back. Alone.
Come on, no man.
Stand ready.
Please, I know one you have, you know. I know one son you have, you know. I know two you have, you know. And three you have. Three you have.
Rascal.
But here where you never know. You never know, so you know about the last two.
Hey, sweetie,
You never know, so you know about the last two.
Leave them alone.
You never know, so you know about the second one. And you never know, so you know about the other one. A long time me get that cheese. Long time. But me and your friend, me can't say that to nobody. The way me rate you in a way where me dey work and see people send me a picnic picture and me tell them say I know you're a picnic. Just to change it. And now when me put up at the same thing, you have the camera, they say, so Dan, oh you this say, I know for your picnic. The way me rate you, me tell them say I know for your picnic, that I know so the little boy look. A problem them a look.
Yeah man, cheese, we take it down man a few times.
You know, so when this just dropped, me watch when it started, you know, you did avoid it, you know, you did keep it down, you know, you did do the you know. You take the man, say you call him, you know, I say you avoid that time, I say, we don't know, let it go man, blood clot down, no make it go. You did avoid it for true, Dan.
That's true, man. No, me not say nothing. Me not say nothing, me have the video, me not say nothing at all.
Yeah man, Dan avoid it for true,
Blamdem. If me wrong, more you tell me say me wrong.
No, you're not wrong, because me say avoid it.
Listen, Blamdem. TikTok lawyer wake me up 1:35 I think. Out of my bed, I have to wake up 5 o'clock, you know. TikTok lawyer wake me up 1:35 and said, Dan, she's baby father over Sunshine. Call him. Me take up my phone and go for Sunshine and go in my box because I'm still in my sleep. And then if you're not in my box, me fi come, and me phone me fi use, and me call him, and he come over here, and me put sheep on the phone and him. And she end up the phone, she said, oh, me don't want blood clot chatting, me don't want to on the phone with them, and she cut off the phone. So when you come and tell people them say, we want to deal with it on social media, when you go click your life, 5 days straight, you know, stop. Can't play the victim. Come back here, but then also one girl can wicked. So Blamdem, if you go in somebody's box, if you know, alright, if me and you, and me say to you, say, me and TikTok lawyer family, and me and you in a problem, don't have my family I go want to say something to?
No.
So if you see TikTok lawyer in our box, and you say to TikTok lawyer, say, you go in our box, and you say, more and talk to you a minute there, and TikTok lawyer say, who you? And you say to him, say, she say, Ada and baby father. What you do? You do nothing? That's all you say, you do nothing?
No, really do nothing. Why you want out? Remember say Dan, remember say your platform open to everybody now, so you can't tell over running platform. You can't tell over running platform. Oh.
The platform open to everybody.
Everybody electing your platform. So all that you have problem too much, man.
A different page, the guy come with is a different page. All if me didn't know, me still go add him. Because that's somebody when me know before cheese.
Well, you add everybody that's the thing. Look what you add anybody. And you're entertainer, you can't tell us run your platform. Right now,
me don't pick and choose who to come in the box.
Yeah, no lie. You can't tell what to do.
All the time we pick and choose are there with RT, you see we bang around, so the people them say, no, put him in there, put him in there, me and listen where people them say. My box of everybody if you come and say where them say and cut.
Yeah, man, and because they in that trouble, and him in a war in time there.
Yeah,
so, yeah, that's fine.
It's simple. Shabba run over here. She says same thing. Say me never did call back to RT call to where RT do Samantha. So remember RT you know Samantha. So a course. You and Samantha, you know go road, you know eat together, you know drink together, you know do things per road, you know go sell together. So
you talk about Samantha and talk about things. She's big in her game than Samantha. She's big in her game. She's Billy game. She's great the game. She's
because you say Dana got bad so wanna go over there go do.
Yeah, that way girls why not that way you do. I think girls make no say that in Canada no one.
You always a left out cheese can't do body business. No, I when him doing body 100 times in my milk. He can't he not work. I when him doing body. You know see first man the cheese come give to man though. Send out him flock everybody. I want to show you me rate you. When the man they send me up. Me call you for sure you say he's not a good person. Say cheese and no say them a send up video call you come in on my phone. So them a show you. The response when nobody want do them the response when nobody want do. I want man do that. So you say when you come and find me. So man I mean this is talk to the cheese. Can you come and find you not talk to nobody because you have principle. So how man have run from phone to phone till all destiny get it. How destiny the phone cheese and you say you know my friend. I'm gonna lie that girl Virgin Mary. Me say yesterday when me see girl bend down. See how him bend down yeah? I saw him bend.
Follow me back, Dan. Me make sure you follow me back. Follow me back, please.
Yeah, but Blamdem, me not go send you go give nobody. Me not authorize to send you go give nobody. And me have to keep that on my weapon that.
Follow me back, Dan, because you know you a long time. Follow me back. You know, me not say you follow me yet. Because me have subscribe to your thing. Because you know you're my friend.
Yeah, man.
Long time you want to see.
Who want to? I see where they cheese come here, cheese. Big and pressure for the side. Hey, girl, mute your phone, girl, mute your phone. Me there, make you all link up. Red. Let me see cheese. Cheese can't wait for go downstairs go smoke cigarette. Cheese can't hold in us. You just want to smoke. You know, I've already throw him out. Kind of smoke too. That's why incident at war.
See, when him in class, and when him in smoke.
I don't like.
Why they say we are chatting?
So people, let me know what you think in the comment section because the live get too noisy, you know. See, so let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. Boy, I wanna look out for cheese come back wicked, man. So